This is not financial advice, not legal advice, for entertainment and educational purposes only. Anything I say is my opinion. Please don't make any financial decision based on anything I say in these videos. Listen, I trying to understand how our law enforcement agencies and our regulatory agencies allow all this fraud and corruption in the United States stock market. And so what I did was I asked ChatGPT, and ChatGPT gave me all these reasons, loopholes, knowing real enforcement. But the one that really stuck out with me was Wall Street's influence and conflict of interest. And I think that is probably the major reason why the bad actors are allowed to naked short AMC, GME, and a whole lot of other stocks and do what they did to MMTLP, because Wall Street has too much influence in the market. It is absolutely outrageous, and even ChatGPT knows it. So the DOJ, the FBI, the SEC can't claim that they don't know. Even ChatGPT is saying that Wall Street has so much influence over the law enforcement, over the regulatory agencies, that the regulatory agencies refuse to do their job because of politics. Okay? ChatGPT knows that these bad actors who are naked shorting AMC, naked shorting GME, destroyed MMTLP and MULN. Well, MULN is two factors in my opinion, but the naked shorters played a part. The naked shorters played a part. And another reason that ChatGPT said was lack of real enforcement. No real enforcement. They say that the enforcement usually takes too long. The bad actors get to pay a small fine, and the amount of money that they make is so much more than the fine that the fines don't act as a deterrent. And this is what I've been saying for the last 4 or 5 years, and ChatGPT said it after a single question. Why doesn't the DOJ, the SEC, and the FBI enforce the rules of the market? But you know what ChatGPT didn't put? And because of what Elon Musk said, I'm wondering if the people at the SEC, the people at the DOJ, and the people at the FBI are in fear for their life. Are they in fear for their life? Are they in fear of assassination? Is that why they are not enforcing the rules and regulations of the United States stock market? That has to be a concern. That has to be a concern. Because if the richest man on the planet is telling people on a Joe Rogan podcast that he's afraid that he get assassinated if he goes hard on the corruption, I am sure that lowly workers at the SEC, at the FBI, at the DOJ probably feel the same way. And I'm going to tell you guys something. Until Elon Musk said that, I never even considered that. I just considered the fact that they wanted these Wall Street jobs, so they didn't do their job. But there's a possibility that there might be physical threats. Physical threats. At this point, how will retail investors, pension funds, and institutions that follow the rules get justice? The only way I see us getting justice is when their liquidity runs out, or we get it in front of a judge and a jury of our peers, and they rule for justice in the United States stock market. Because what these guys been doing to us over the last 5 years is unconscionable. Okay? Unconscionable. Anyway, please leave some comments. Tell me what you think. Do you think ChatGPT is correct that Wall Street has too much influence over the regulators and law enforcement? Anyway, have a great day. God bless, and I appreciate y'all on this journey with me.